Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you guys with another video. Today is Monday. It is, what's today? The 13th. And today is wrestling. If you guys know me, if you know me, then you know, like, I look forward to Monday, Wednesday, Friday, pay-per-view. When they do play it, I look forward to it. What you doing?
Chilling.
Christmas tree looks so good.
Groceries?
We were watching the news this morning and they were saying we have snow coming in for the next 2 days. So starting tomorrow on Tuesday and Wednesday, we have snow. So I don't know how that's gonna work out. I'm pretty nervous. I'm not a big person who drives in the snow. And we also need to get groceries because we think we're gonna get snowed in. I'm actually gonna run to the store real quick and get a couple of items that we don't have that we need. I need to also run to the bank as well. Let's go. So I literally just pulled up here to Safeway right now. I'm gonna run in there and get some potatoes, water, a couple knickknacks, a couple snacks. Shoot, we're just gonna go in here and see what we could get and then go from there. So let's do this because I need to hurry up and get back to the house. So I just got in the car. I will show you guys a grocery as soon as I get home. I gotta hurry up and get to the house because my mom is watching Kai for me and she's also working, so I need to head on home. It's so rainy today here. Okay, so we're back from Safeway. Here's the groceries. Kai's gonna go ahead and give you guys a little grocery haul, so.
So guys, Mommy got me some Lunchables. We got some soup together. She got beans.
What'd you show them? Avocados, celery, tomatoes,
Oh shoot!
popcorn, oranges, a Snapple
For me.
for us to share,
Yep.
soy sauce, Brazoon garlic and herb cheese. I'm actually going to use this on my omelets. Strawberries, flour tortillas, and that is our grocery haul. Thank you for your help.
Welcome.
Okay guys, so I just made some lunch here. It's like 11:57. I just made some toast and then broccoli cheddar soup. Just finished my workout. I'm about to make dinner. We're having tacos for dinner tonight. Simple, easy, basic. Takes no time. I'm freaking sore. Like, I am feeling it. I'm definitely gonna need to roll tonight too before I go to bed. Actually, I wanted to try this really quick with you guys. So earlier today when we went and got groceries, I got this bubble sparkling water and I got it in the flavor mango. Not bad, definitely has that mango flavor to it. I actually like this one, bubbly. This brand is really good. I have never tried the bubbly brand. I always get the AHA brand. That's the one that I always get. So this bubbly one is actually pretty delicious. I'm gonna have to get more flavor. Cannot wait to eat this. This looks so freaking delicious. I'll try a bite with you guys. One of them has rice in it and the other one doesn't, so. I'm gonna go eat. Dinner was wonderful. Wrestling was freaking awesome. As you can tell, I have already took a shower, washed my face, took my makeup off. I'm actually getting ready to go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys aren't subscribed already, and turn on that notification bells on so you'll be notified when I post a brand new video. Mwah. Bye guys.